Okay, here I have 2 copies of Swarovski's 8x30 CL companion binoculars. They're both in anthracite. The one on the left there is the Northern Lights accessory set, whereas the one on the right has the Wild Nature accessory set. The one on the left has already been unboxed and is in use. However, the one on the right is brand new, and so I will go ahead and unbox that for you guys. And in another video, I'll go over just the differences between the different accessory set. But this one I just wanted to keep as an unboxing because Swarovski does an awesome job of presenting their products. So of course, if you've ever had them on sleeves like this, then there's the sleeve. Then inside, there's a nice picture of, not quite sure where it is, but there's a picture of some mountains. And then in this particular set, here's the binoculars. I can feel that the binoculars are shipped or packaged in this pouch. And unzip it, see what we have inside. And the binoculars, that's how they are. I guess they're shipped with the eyepiece covers already on. That's a very nice eyepiece cover, but the objectives are left uncovered. And there's a nice pouch. This feels like a nylon or polyester type of material, and has slightly green tint to it. Inside here we have Swarovski's nice enough to include a decal. There's a customer copy. Lifetime warranty extended, limited lifetime warranty card. Do not return this to the store. What else do they include in here? Here we have a companion CL user manual. And in here they also include technical specifications. And then there's another mini box here. That's a soap and brush. Let's see what's in there. Sure enough, so little bar of soap with Swarovski logo on there. Smells pretty neutral, unscented soap. And a brush. That's nice. Now, my other set of binoculars, I've never really used this. I typically just use microfiber and Zeiss lens wipes. And here we have objective covers. Another for the other side. And, okay, this includes a strap for the pouch and a neck strap. And this neck strap's neoprene material. Wow, and they also include a, what is this? Microfiber cleaning cloth. And that's it. Neatly packaged. And here's another shot of the binoculars. Interestingly enough, pictures online have CL printed here. These do not. I'll do another video of the in-depth on these.